So I did stop by the Rainy Lake Coffee Shop. I'm eating a scone here. Yeah, so the scone is absolutely amazing. Let me turn this around so you guys can see things a little bit better. A little swag off to the left here. I was talking to the owner, young guy, really nice. He's about to roast some beans, so they actually roast their own beans here, which kind of surprised me, but I got a coffee. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you know what I think here in a minute.
We'll probably be driving around for like 2 hours, 3 hours.
Just to show you how close we are to Fort Francis. I mean, we're right there. Sure smells good.
Yeah, cool local art on the walls. Yeah, these are all just ladies from town usually. They fit in the track. Alright, so that's the first bell, that's my warning. And then it'll actually start cracking, so they'll show up like that, and then they're just green, and then it's pretty much like popcorn.
They actually pop. I didn't know that.
Yeah, so they're going right now through the first crack is what I call it. It's like the first pop, so then they'll pop a little bit and then they'll actually shed their little shell.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, just like popcorn, whatever. They'll just blow up, and then we're taking this one just a little darker, and then it'll actually go through another crack, and then that's where the oils will start releasing out the beans.
Where do you get your beans?
We get it from Cafe Imports in